Hello, Stamper. Welcome to Frenchie's video. I'm France Martin, independent demonstrator with Stamping Up at frenchiestamps.com. Today it's a little bit of mix. I want to show the two-tone paper, texture with the two-tone paper, and also some scrapbook kit that really, it's more than scrapbook. Don't let yourself steer away from the scrapbook kit because you're a card making maker. They go end to end together. You can make cards and such. You will see a lot more with everyday happiness on my blog this month, just because I challenge my team with that. If you look at this beautiful paper here, it's not one that you're going to find in any of the catalog. And voila, the back of it here. Is that beautiful? I think they are beautiful. Oh, I get some of the same. So this is the same. I get more print here. So that's the paper, that the designer series paper that come in everyday you and me. So the kit, it's very self-explanatory. So they give you ideas on how to make, many pages, but you can always make your own. So if you get the kit and even come with the placement for the pictures and such, if you get the kit, it will come with the instruction, it will come with designer series paper, and it will come with two-tone paper or cardstock also, depend which kit. So in this case, I'm going to bring you where you can see them. So I'm going to bring you to a screenshot here, my blog. So if you go at frenchiestamps.com, you can shop at the top there and click the to go shop and then go from there. But before we go there, we're going to talk about the last chance. That's where you would go there. But I want to bring you to my blog because we got um, not a printout, but a kind of a flyer for the online scrapbook. In the coming months, when we're going to get the new catalog, it will be included in the catalogs. But till then, we had a special like every season or every quarter, I would say. So here it is. So here it's going to show you at the beginning the new two-tone cardstock, and I'm going to show that's the main thing, show texture with the two-tone cardstock. But I want to show you where the new color appeared there. I say new color, it's color of Stamping Up, but the color that they're coming up with, the two-tone. The two-tone, it's one side, it's kind of the true color, and the other one, it's lighter. Now, like last fall, they came with the fall color and such. So you can buy the individual pack for $10 and you get 12 sheet. Also, all those scrapbook, like they're going to show you, I think you can see my cursor there. I should have put it bigger. You can see everything that come. It come with sticker sheet. It come with designer series paper, white cardstock, and the two-tone and such. And it tells you in everything that it's included. Also, most of them, I say most because I'm not guaranteed if it's all, but I think most of the scrapbook kit, you get a coordinated stamp set that the only place you can choose it, it's here. It's not in any publication. Now we're going to scroll. I'm going to bring you to the one. See the Storybook Life that coordinate with the Storybook Life collection or suite, I should say, in the catalog. Now you get a little bit more in this one. See a different stamp set and such. The B set, I thought first when I look at that, I thought it was the same than the catalog. No, it's very different. And yes, you can coordinate it with the punch. It's a snug fit, but it coordinate with the punch, the new stamp set right here. Also, you get a dies with this one. So many get the stamp set, the die, or such with the scrapbook. But the scrapbook, like I said, you can purchase the full scrapbook, or you can purchase just the sticker sheet, just the pack of two-tone paper, just a pack of designer serial paper. Now, the one that I challenge my team, this one, it's this one. It's called Everyday You and Me, and the paper, it's Everyday Happiness. So you see the full kit here. Um, it happened, um, I thought, I had still of the flowers. I must misplace them. But see, it's kind of the chip wood, but it's not. It's more like a heavy cardstock. So it's friend. Oh, you don't see it now. Let me put that here back here 1 second here. I was saying, see, so you see, these are very, they're kind of thick, but very, it's like maybe like the white cardstock, the paper that come in the back of a designer serial paper. So that was part of it. So you get all those things with the kit, but you can buy it separately. Many of the product, like I said, this is the full kit. The full kit it's $40, and then it separated here. So it's gonna well, that it's like the paper snip and all that, the additional product. Let's scroll more. So you get the stamp set, Everyday You and Me, with the matching dies. I didn't get that set, so that's why. See, I'm using the product, the, is it going to, oh, right here. I am using the paper and such, but I use the Cheerful Daisy. So sometimes you can even purchase the paper or the kit, but not involved in the stamp set if you get something else that you can match with. So you don't have to buy it all. That's what I'm trying to say. So in the paper, so you get, if you buy just a separate paper, you get 3 prints. Well, you're going to get 4 of each for the 12th sheet. So you get this one, this one, this one. You see 6 there, but it's two-sided. Well, if you purchase over here, you get 2 different of the yellow. You get a few different print, but those print, it was like this one here, I think. It's blank in the back. So it's, again, many choice, you can do with. Now, uh, the pack, you can buy the pack of the two-tone, and the two-tone in this one, it tell you all the colors. So the colors are pecan pie, mossy meadow, pretty peacock, lost lagoon, um, dairy vanilla, and gray granite. So you can buy the pack. Again, it's a 12 sheet for $12, this one. Now, the same with the B. So that's why I wanted to bring you here. Now, talking about the two-tone paper, I want to give you a little secret. So let's go back to my blog at frenchiestamps.com, and right at the top where it says shop, go to the last chance. Right there on the last chance, you're going to have some mixed pack of the two-tone that it's on the clearance or the last chance, so that it's all while supplies last. But you can get many colors, like you get the snow days, you get they're $6 instead of $12. If you click on the quick shop, now you can look at the product detail and show more, and then they're going to give you the color. So you get 12 sheet, and you get early espresso, garden green, petal pink, pool party, poppy parade. So that is how you can get some of the two-tone at a very amazing price. You get more in the earth tone here, the autumn one, you get the Halloween, you get the rainy reindeer's day, and all those kits are the designer serial paper. You get the kit on clearance also. So make sure that when you go shopping, you check that. Okay, now I give you a little bit of that. Let's go and create now. Let me show you about the two-tone paper. So about the two-tone paper, like I said, here is some of the kit that I'm using here. Um, It's thinner than a cardstock, but it's thicker than a designer series paper. So I got two of each so you can see the difference. See the back. And if you get lotion on your hand, see Mark, I had just put lotion on my hand. So this is the old olive. Now you get the gray granite. You got Lost Lagoon. And you got Pretty Peacock. Now, if you want on the top where you emboss the darker color, when you put it in your embossing folder, it need to face the Stampin' Up logo or the front of your embossing folder. That's the way. If you want the lighter color, then you would put the lighter color face up. It doesn't matter, which way. You can have the lighter and still. Now, the two-tone paper, it's not throughout because we get two color. Like, well, if you take a color paper, let me grab one. And I'm grabbing black because black, it's really, so if I tear this up, see, it is all throughout the color. Now, I got a basic black here. See, it's one side, it's darker than the other. Now, if I rip this, voila. So it's so funny. I used that in one of my Create on the Fly, and I think it was my brother-in-law. He said, "Oh, those are Oreo paper." Well, now that's what it reminded me of. Anytime I use a two-tone paper, and if I rip it, I think of cookies, right? So now you see the difference. See? So, with that being said, you can emboss, and then you can take any type of sander. So you can take even like a nail file sander. You can buy sander, a very fine one. But this, I emboss it with the wood, not the wood grain, but the, let me think, the distress tile. I'm going to do the Pretty Peacock because it's going to show better in the camera. And voila. This is my favorite technique, or to use the paper, and especially this folder. Well, it's very distressed, right? That just leave a very tiny little dust. So make sure that, here we go. So that is my favorite way to use the paper. So that's with the distress. And now this one, it's with the fern. That's what I'm using for the card over there. So you see? And then the back, it's the lighter color there. So I cannot really, well, it's still some reverse emboss there. I could always, yeah, here we go. Because it's just reverse, right? This was raised, now it's the other way around. So you can emboss that way too. Now I can do the same thing with my fern. So this one, it's going to do just, well, kind of the vein of the fern there, but you're going to see the difference. See here, that was the gray granite, and see this side. So you don't have to emboss it neither. I mean, sand it. You can use it just the way it is. And automatically, sometimes, depending how deep your folder is, maybe you're going to see a little bit of white like this one. You see a tiny bit there. It's just, that is normal, okay? So that is it for today. I'm doing all these cards here that, like I said, I'm using the paper that it's in everyday happiness. It's part of the scrapbook line, but I'm not using it for scrapbook. I'm using it for cards. And make sure you come visit my blog soon. I don't have no date yet. So by the end of It's going to be more April. I'm sorry. Next month, I'm going to have a series of cards using this paper because I challenge my team with that paper. So stay tuned with that. And again, you don't have to have, everything to create with it, like the stamp set and such. If you love the paper, just like another designer series paper, you can purchase it. Again, to find it easy, just go at, you can go on my blog and click the shop 24. And here you can always check. I'm going to go, oops, all product here. Let me put, I put scrapbook there. And then that should bring me those kit of scrapbook. Et voila. So in the search, when you shop, if you click scrapbook, you're going to have all those kit, even the one that are on last chance. And then when, like, this is the kit that I challenged them and use the, oops, I want to click the full thing. I use the paper. I bought a full kit, show them, and then I bought the paper. But then you get all, you can see all in detail. And then if it's something else, you can put every day. And then we're going to put every day, just the first word of the product there. And that should bring you everything that get with the everyday. So let's see if that's, yes. So you see it bring you the kit, it bring you just the refill, with the sticker, it bring you the two-tone paper, and it bring you, oops, over here, it bring you the designer series paper. So that's any of the scrapbook kits. So let me show you back one. This is a little bit more out shop, right? I'm going to go back again. So if you shop any scrapbook kit, if you put just the first word, like here, meant to be, well, I'm gonna, that's this one over here. So I'm gonna put just met. M-E-T. Oh, I need my N in there. Here we go. And I get something that don't, oops, belong there. Okay, now we got it. And then that should bring you everything, because so far everything that I find out that coordinate with the scrapbook kit, the first word it's used, like here is your kit, here is your stamp set, here is your die, here is your paper. So pretty much everything coordinate like that. Okay, maybe some of it it's not, but that was the easiest way for me to find that. So I hope this is going to help you and also get you more variation of product to use. So even if it's a scrapbook, boom, I get cards with them. Hope you enjoyed this. Till next time, happy stamping, my friend. Bye-bye for now.